How to find TikTok draft videos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Profile at the bottom right. In here, click on Drafts. You will find in your profile. Now, these are all your drafts. You can also click on the filters at the top and sort by file size, uses effects, uses template. Now, another thing what you can do is go into the video, click on any of the drafts, and you can click on the square icon at the top right and start editing. After you're done, you can go back, press on next in here, and add it to drafts again. You can also click on select at the top right, click on any of the drafts you want to delete and press on delete at the bottom. Press on delete again and you're good to go. This is how to find TikTok draft videos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.